What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Oh, I look like a mess. It's okay. I look tired. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna be doing something super fun today in the kids' room. I'm gonna show them what we got.
Yes, ma'am.
We got a whole bunch of goodies. Now I'm gonna grab a few more things and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have for the kids' room. Now, what was I gonna grab here? Oh, I was gonna grab the tripod. So I'm gonna grab the tripod and then I'm gonna grab some kid blankets and we are gonna head over to the kids' room. All right, guys, so I'm not sure if you guys have seen the kids' room, but this is the kids' room. Do you want to do a room tour, Mia?
Yeah.
You want to show them your room? Yeah. Where do you sleep?
Like there.
That's not where you sleep. You sleep up there. So this is the kids' bunk bed. We have Dana at the top, Darius in the middle, and Mia all the way at the bottom. Now, I am so excited because we are finally going to pull out a lot of the Christmas stuff that we bought last year, of course. So most of this stuff was 90% off there, like blanket. Well, it's a whole bedding set for the kids. Now, I have 3, but I only have 2 here, but I have another one down in the storage. And then I got a whole ton of these items as well. This is like a little Mickey light. So their room is going to be like Mickey theme. And then we got these blankets. This one I got last year and it was only $1.99. And then we got a bunch of other stuff.
Cool.
Which one?
What is this? This is more?
Yeah, you push the, I think it's like a setting. Oh, that's so cute.
That is really
that's
cool.
bright.
How much was this?
Well, this one I bought this year, but I bought it with the promotion. It was like 30% off, and then when you spend 30, you get $10.
Okay.
So I like stacked it with other promotions.
That's cute. I like that.
And it was really cheap. And then this is the one that I am so excited about. I've always wanted to get one of these because they normally go on clearance. They have a special on Black Friday where they're $39.99, and then that's when they normally sell out. So when they go down to clearance, they'll never get to like 90. I have seen some people score these for 90% off, which is usually around like $8 to $12, but I've never been lucky enough. But I was lucky enough to grab a rain check last year, so I got this one with a rain check plus the promotion of you spend 30, you get 10. So it came out to like $29.99, and then I used my extra bucks to pay for it. So I'm super excited about this to set up the kids' room, and we are gonna tidy everything up and get it looking like Christmas. Mia. You like it? You like it, Mia? You like your bed? Alright guys, so everything is set up and I love how it turned out. I thought it looked super cute. The train though, I don't think this is gonna work out. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put it on our Christmas tree. Not too sure. Maybe I'll put it around like that over there. The tracks were extremely long, but if you guys can tell, these kids completely demolished it. Darius even took the main piece and he's just playing with it like if it's a car. So I'm not sure if the train thing is gonna work out. I was really excited about it. I am so happy I did not pay full price for it because it is super flimsy. Like it is like easily breakable, but I love the kids' bed sheets. Now these bed sheets were actually a 2 set. It was like the comforter as one and then the little fitting sheets and all that as another piece. Now these were 90% off at Target when they had their clearance. They weren't marked down, but I went ahead and asked like the customer service and they marked them down because obviously they were Christmas. So it was $3 for the fitted sheets and then $3 for the comforters. So I'm super excited about that. We didn't put Dana's yet, but she's gonna get hers. I think tomorrow we're gonna put it on for her. And then, oh, whoa, they want to see how it looks dark in here. Then I got them the little light thing that I really do like. My kids love night lights, so that's going to be perfect for them. If you guys want to see it, turn off the light, Mia, so we can see. It looks so adorable. And I actually have one myself, and I have the Grinch one. So maybe I'll show you guys a video of that. Because I am going to decorate my room as well, but mine's is going to be the Grinch theme. So then this is more like of a little decoration. It plays light and music, but I feel like they have a lot of light going on now. Not a problem though, because my kids love light. Like they love to sleep in like with a ton of lights on. Darius loves these. I actually got these at the Dollar Tree. They were only $1 and I'm pretty impressed with them. I actually think they're better. They're better than what I expected. It just has a little button. They're necklaces, but I just taped them on here. You can't really see the tape that much from a distance, so it's okay. And then it has like 3 settings. It has this one, the faster one, and then just still. So I definitely like those. And yeah guys, that is, we have the pillow here. I actually have these in Valentine's Day theme as well. I think I might have them in a different theme also, but I was super excited about these. I saw these in store also, but at my store they put them out. They also put like a Baby Yoda one, which I was excited to get because the kids do like Baby Yoda also. But they're all gone in my store, so I don't think I'm going to be able to find these at clearance price this year. But alright guys, that is going to be the end of this video. These kids are enjoying the room. It's probably going to be a mess by tomorrow. And yeah guys, that is going to wrap it up. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because that is when I'm going to share all my like clearance deals first. I will share them like right there, right away. I'll share them on my story and all that. I just feel like that's just a quicker way to, you know, show you guys that stuff is on clearance. Like for example, you know, we're having the Halloween clearance now and all that stuff, and I love Christmas clearance shopping. I buy stuff for next year, I buy Christmas toys, I buy all that stuff. So if you guys want to get in and save 90% off on, you know, every holidays, you know, items and all that stuff, make sure you're following me on Instagram. But alright guys, I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.